Hello everyone, happy autumn. Yes, I believe autumn is finally here. It's exciting for a chef because I have a whole new season of autumn vegetables to play with in my dishes. So everyone asks me, Chef Angelica, how can I make a gorgeous, easy, less complicated dish that I can feed for myself and my family or even a party? These are great. These are one pan roasts. I am making a whole food, plant-based vegan sausage veggie harvest roast. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes, we're talking about colors of the rainbow and rich autumn, beautiful colors. This one incorporates sweet potatoes as well as red onions and red beets, and there's garlic and fennel and Italian sausage. This one has fresh herbs as well. There's rosemary stuck in there along with some thyme, and beautiful heirloom carrots, purple, orange, yellow, white. And that fennel, that anise flavor, along with the fennel fronds, to add that addition is just like an amazing flavor. This all goes into a hot oven. Everything will caramelize and become tender. You can serve this with mashed cauliflower or potatoes or even bread if you need something additional, a nice green salad. This is utilizing local, organic, seasonal produce. I hope you'll all shop at your local farmer's market or at least look for organic, seasonal produce in your stores. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you'll give it a try. This is easy peasy. I wish you love, and I hope everyone's well and safe, but overall, nourish yourself and just play. It's time to play in the kitchen. It's finally cool out. Enjoy yourself. As a chef, this is an amazing time for me. So I hope you'll enjoy this. Again, this autumn plant-based vegan sausage harvest veggie roast. Peace out, Chef Angelica.